In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the dcount function in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get ready to work with a simple database-style table. The dcount function is useful when you want to count numeric values in a specific column, but only for rows that meet certain criteria. In other words, it helps you count numbers conditionally using a structured data range. For this example, imagine a small table with 3 columns: name, department, and sales. The sample data includes several rows, where some people belong to sales, some belong to HR, and the sales column contains numeric values including 100, 200, 150, and 0. This kind of layout is important because dcount works best when your data has clear column headers at the top. Now let's look at the first example. Here, the goal is to count sales values that are greater than 0. To do that, you also need a separate criteria table. In that criteria area, use the header sales and directly below it, enter greater than 0. This tells Excel exactly which condition to apply when counting. Next, enter the formula equals dcount, then select the full database range from A1 to C5. Add a comma, type sales in quotation marks, add another comma, and then select the criteria range from E1 to E2. The full formula is equals dcount open parenthesis A1 colon C5 comma quotation mark sales quotation mark comma E1 colon E2 close parenthesis. The result is 3. That means Excel counts only the numeric values in the sales column that are greater than 0. The 0 is not included because it does not meet the condition. Now let's move to the second example. This time, the goal is to count sales values only for rows where the department is sales. Again, create a criteria table in a separate area. Use the header department, and below it, enter sales. This tells Excel to look only at rows from the sales department. Then use the dcount formula again with the same database range, the sales field, and the new criteria range. The result is 3. Excel counts the numeric entries in the sales column for all rows where the department matches sales. Before wrapping up, keep a couple of important notes in mind. Dcount only counts numbers, not text. If you need to count text values or all non-empty entries, use dcounta instead. Also, your criteria range must include column headers that exactly match the headers in your database. If the headers do not match, the formula may not work correctly, and that's how to use the dcount function in Excel.